Yeah, 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 yeah. Yo. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fola, and this is where I talk about and educate people on natural hair with a little bit of travel involved. So if you're into that type of content, make sure to keep watching. So today I'll be comparing two different ponytails. One is Sensational's Kinky Curly 24-inch, and then the other one is Outre's Kinky Straight 30-inch. So I'll be comparing these two, just the brand itself and how they do their wrapping mechanism, the weight of it, how it's been holding up for like the past couple of days for me, and other things. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with Outre's Jumbo Kinky Straight 30-inch hair. It came in this like packaging. It is their Pretty Quick Premium Synthetic Fiber Pony. So for the packaging, they have it like this, and this is kind of what I want to talk about when I'm going through the ponytail and how I'm going to put it on, and just so you can see the difference in how it looks like on me and how it looks like on the packaging. Okay, so this is how the inside is set up. There is a clip here, and then a small clip right here, and then it comes with this extended wraparound pony that's attached by like some type of like rubber elastic band. So I'm gonna try to put it on, but I'll tell you what I like and dislike as I put it on the pony. Right now I can tell that I think it's gonna match my hair perfectly. Like you already see, like I tried to slick it as best I could with type 4 hair, but we're gonna get those small kinks when it's not already straightened, you know, blow dried or whatever the case is. We're gonna get those small kinks. So this Kinky Straight already has the little small kinks in them, so it's just gonna go. What I want to do is, because it's only like this much space, it's letting me know that if it encapsulates like the braid or whatever it is, this is how much hair you need to have it fit around so that it could wrap seamlessly around the hair so that it's not bulky. So imagine like a head, you know, and this is the thing, the wrap, and then this is the pony, and it could be even tighter or whatever, however the case is. But this, I'm looking at it right now, and I don't think when I bought it, I wasn't paying enough attention to really look at how this is set up and the width of it. So when I opened it up, I'm kind of a little off put by it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little off put because I don't know if it's going to wrap around my braids. So we're gonna work a little magic. This one, it has to be finessed. If you have thinner, less dense hair, then I feel like that shouldn't be an issue for you. You won't have to deal with trying to finesse it, because that will be more than enough to wrap your hair around tightly without it looking kind of bulky. But for me, in my braids, and I still want the effect of having like a really tight, you know, ponytail, like that really salon style, the stuff you see on Pinterest, you know, like that stuff. I want that, but I don't know if I'm gonna get that given how I've like bulked my hair up like this. So what I'm gonna do is, since I have 4, and it's spread across horizontal, that's gonna make the width of it hard to like wrap around the braids. So what I want to do is layer it like blocks on top of each other. So these I'm stacking on top of each other, and these I'm stacking on top of each other so that it comes in together and it's tighter like that. I'm gonna add a couple more of these small little rubber bands to my hair so that it's helping with the bulk. Press them together to make sure that they're in your like 1, 2, 3, 4 block. I still want it to be flexible, so that's why I'm not adding like the regular hair scrunchies, because I feel like that would stiffen it. But these black ones are small enough that it'll bind the hair together how I want without making it like rock hard stiff. Now it looks like 2. So next what I'm gonna do is take this little, well, how long would you say this is? This is my finger. And then I have that much left over from when I started. So about a finger and a little bit. Easy. That's how much space you have. That's, I don't know, it's kind of small to me. I'm gonna take this over. I'm putting the comb like underneath the hair scrunchie so it's not digging into my hair. And then I'm gonna try my best to take these little combs and push them downwards so that I'm trying to get them to touch each other underneath, so that it at least covers the front. This bit over here, and I'm trying to get the hair to be as flat as possible. And I take this small piece and I can bobby pin it underneath there versus just bobby pinning it anywhere. So this is how it looks like, and I think it matches really good. It's just kind of bulky, but it's okay. I mean, given the amount of hair I have, it's okay for me. But this is where I have the trouble. It's under here. So what I'm gonna try to do is take the two pieces under here, wrap them, and then like push them together and bobby pin it through the braid underneath. So I'm gonna try and bobby pin it at its base and then push it down into the braid so that it has somewhere to hang on to. So that's the finesse that people who have a lot of hair have to do if they end up getting something like this. Another one a little bit downwards for protection, and you can add as many bobby pins as you want. This is essentially to make sure that the hair doesn't leave you as you're like out doing whatever, shaking ass, throwing ass, doing whatever you want to do, you know, with this 30-inch, but do it and don't look crazy. So that's what it's looking like. I'm not seeing any braid when I pull it. Let's see. When I pull it to the front, I'm not seeing any braid. So that's good. You can bobby pin it down the length of your hair so that the hair sticks to the hair that way. Yeah. Anyway, so that is the thing about the 30-inch. I love it. Like, I love the 30-inch and how long it is. Let me see if I can show y'all. Okay, hold up. Okay. And I'm 5'3". I'm 5'2", 5'3", and it comes down to the end of my butt. So yeah, that is how long this 30-inch is. It's a bad B ponytail, but like a bad bitch on a budget. A BBB, a triple B. This is $10.99, by the way, if I didn't already put the price up somewhere. This is only $10.99. That is it with the finesse of this wig, and it's not gonna take long. Like, it's not like those actual wrapping ponies where you wrap from the bottom up with like extension or a weave track or whatever the case is. Like, I really like this. If you have finer, thinner hair, low density hair, I feel like you won't have a problem with this, especially if it's blow dried or straightened prior to, which you don't have to. That's why you can slick your hair in a state of a stretch style, going from like a twist out and just it into a slick low pony. But this is doable, but I feel like it's easiest for people who have lower density, not high density. But if you do have high density, you can finesse it. It just takes a little bit more time, but it's not like gruesome work or anything like that. So there's that. So I'm gonna move on to the next wig, the Kinky pony. Honestly, this is like the quickest wrap I've ever done. It said just pull your hair back into a ponytail or a small bun, insert the strap, comb, and wrap the hair inside. Insert the middle comb and secure with Velcro. Wrap the hair around and secure with bobby pins to hold the wrapped hair. My only thing was, I wasn't paying attention to what it was, and I didn't know that there was Velcro. And I don't know really how to use it, because when I did take off the Velcro and then I tried to put it back on and put it to my hair, I did something wrong and the Velcro was snagging at my hair. But other than that, once I got it perfectly back where it was before and not touching it, it was fine, because what I really liked about it was the fact that it's this long. It's definitely more than the finger. It's more than 2 fingers. It's like 3 fingers worth. We'll wrap around for sure. And that's what makes it so easy. The only thing is that I don't use the Velcro because I think I can wrap it tight enough without having to. But I think you would just take this inside piece, you just wrap it around the outside Velcro here. So I'm not gonna do that because, oh, see the Velcro, I don't think I attached the Velcro right back. It's snagging at my hair. That's what I didn't want to happen. That's my only downfall, but if I can get the Velcro back where it was, like if I didn't touch the Velcro at all, it'll be perfect. Because I think I messed up that Velcro, but I don't like Velcro, just it sticks to your hair. But the only thing is that if I don't touch it, if you guys don't touch it and you end up buying it, just don't move the Velcro. So what I'm gonna do now is just take this thing and wrap it. It's already at the base for me, so I'm just gonna wrap it really tight and then make sure it's flat like the other one, so it creates that nice seamless type of clean wrap around. Especially because my hair is like kind of bulky. If I'm gonna have it wrap around, I'd rather it be like those thick separations between the hair and the pony. Yeah, like thick. If I'm gonna make it flat, I don't want it to be bunched up here, making it bumpy, even though like this is mostly my braid. So it's like I can't get any better than this. But I still like it. I still like the fact that it's easy. I don't have to worry about too much, and there's enough space. I think that's my main thing, is that with the other one, there just wasn't enough space. This is like my 3rd day with this slick bun because I had time to wear this after I initially made the slick back video, just so that I can make sure I know what I'm talking to you guys about. What I really love about this pony is like I really like big, voluminous, curly, kinky curly hair. So I was tempted to brush it out, but I talked to Sensationnel and they said to try and just finger detangle it. So if you want something big and voluminous, just go through with the curls and just like fluff it out a bit. The only downfall is that because it's synthetic, obviously the wear and tear is gonna become faster because you're already manipulating the hair. Because you know, like at the nape it starts to get kind of sandpapery. I don't know how else to explain it. You know how it gets. So eventually, as this hair gets older, it'll get bigger and frizzier, and the nicer it will look. But if you're the type of person who preserves like these type of synthetic styles, then go ahead and like manipulate it to your liking. But I really like that this can get really big and voluminous. And this is 24 inches. They're also $10.99. It also comes down like my hip area, just above my butt. So imagine this, but like bigger, fluffier, frizzier. That's gorgeous. Also, I wanted to say that this hair is super soft. Like it's like super, I don't know what they put in it to make it initially so soft before synthetic hair starts getting all raggedy, but this hair feels really soft to the touch, and I really love that. Like this, I don't know, if I could choose between the Kinky Straight and this one, I'm still like, that's a bad bitch pony, but this is like queen. No, y'all, for real, like this pony, it's giving queen, it's giving regality, it's giving royalty, it's giving everything. Like, y'all don't see that? I want y'all to see the vision, because when it gets bigger, fire. Sensationnel, things you did, that's y'all. This is bomb, for real. I love a good kinky curly. I love it to match our texture. So now that you guys have like side-by-side type of comparisons, I think in my like final comparison, I think that I really like this one better, like the most, just because of how easy it is to wrap for my hair and my thickness. There's just more length and more stuff to work around. But I do like that Outre has a very small length to work with if you like that very sleek type of look to your styles and your ponies and stuff. I think that's what this professional salon style gives because it's so small here, and the wrapping size is so sleek. Like, it's small and skinny. It's one of those things that you would picture it coming from it getting done at the salon, essentially. So for me and my hair, I think Sensationnel has something like this exactly, but I think they have the Velcro in this version, and I think I might give this to like my little sister because she doesn't have as much hair as I do, so I feel like this would favor her better versus the finessing that I had to take for me, and then having to like think about, oh my god, is my hair gonna show? Did I put enough bobby pins? Like, I don't want to think about all that. I kind of just want to do the style and go. Like, I want it to be an insta pony like this and just go. So I really love this though. I don't think it's for my specific hair type. I think my hair is too thick and I don't want to do all that finessing. But I think this is great for someone who has lower density, medium or lower density, and their braids aren't as thick. When they get it to pack it back there, it'll just fit around this very comfortably and look very sleek. But this one is cute. This one is very cute. I think I'm gonna double check, but I think Sensationnel does have a kinky straight version that is also 30 inches, but it has that Velcro wrapping mechanism rather than this small tiny one. What do you guys think? What would you pick if you could buy it? Which one would you pick? Would you buy both? Would you buy two of the Sensationnels because you have big hair like me? Or would you buy the Outre? What do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Make sure that you like the button down below if you got value from this video today. It really helps you with the algorithm and push more content that's similar to this to you, and it also helps me reach viewers who are similar to you watch my content. Also, follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you like things to be updated to you faster, because I'm just more active on there than I am on YouTube. I have other videos. I don't know what side I'm gonna put it on, but I have other videos on how to slick your hair, why you think your hair is not growing, my hair care routine. Literally all the questions that you guys asked me on TikTok, I answered them here or on Instagram. So make sure you watch the videos. I'll link them however in the credits, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.